Hi all, welcome back to my channel. Today I would be just showing you a wire wrapping new technique, how we are going to bind our beads using wire wrapping from both the sides. So this is what I've done. So this is my finished product. So here you can see that I have loops from both the ends. So this is one end and this is other end. So the purpose of this particular looping is you can attach these loops and we can continuously make a chain necklace. So let's start with it. For this you will be requiring round nose pliers, wire cutting tool, and flat nose pliers and wires. So these are some wires. Today I have used two different shades of wires. So one is the regular copper color wire and other is the silver color shade. So these are I have just cut the wires into approximate maybe half a centimeter. This is half centimeter of wire, and we will be requiring it to make the loop for the bead from both the sides. Now we will start. What you need to do is you take your bead. Okay, आपको आपका bead लेना है. Then आपको you have to put it through the wire. This is what the design I'm making. This is my cap, bead cap. Okay, so simply what we are going to do is we are going to make a loop design on this particular bead. So hold it nicely, take the bead at the center of the wire, make sure that you have this bead at the center of the wire, and then take your round nose pliers, hold one side. Okay, now depending you have to keep a little bit of distance from your bead and of your wire. So I'm just touching it to the wire, maybe this section, and then just turn it 90 degree. Okay, so you can see that I've turned my wire 90 degree. Okay, now what you have to do is just take it, hold the wire nicely and tightly, and then take the loop from the opposite direction. Okay, take the loop from the opposite direction, and okay, so you can see that this kind of a loop is developed. And again I'm just holding it this way, hold it tight, and we have to let that bead is obviously it's not having any support, so it will come first loop, second loop, and then okay, so we just have to make, this is nothing but a design. Okay, this you can see, this is a design, second, and then we will just cut the extra of wire. Take your flat nose pliers and press the wire inside. Okay, and what I'm doing is I'm just squeezing the wire. So this is the second bead, you can see here. Now similarly we have to do it from the other side. So take your round nose pliers, hold it, twist it 90°. You can do it with your hand also. Okay, this way, and then okay, and then press it in the opposite direction. What you have to do, we have to make a loop. So we are going to obviously press it in the opposite direction, and make sure that your loop the size of your loop looks same from both the sides. Okay, I'm just pushing it. Can you see? From here and here, I mean this loop and this loop both should look of the same size. Okay, now what I'll do is I'll simply out of frame sometimes. Just simply push the wire inside, and now take your flat nose pliers and press that end. Okay, now you can see and you have to make this straight, this side, this look, it should look a line, right? So okay, can you see now the way this one was done in the silver one, and this is I have done in the copper shade. Now now we have to, if we have to connect these both, we can just make a small connector. So for this I've just taken a very small and tiny silver wire. You have to take your round nose pliers, hold it and twist it inside to make a small loop. Can you see this? Now take the other side, take the other side and twist it in the opposite direction. See what I'm doing is I'm twisting it in the opposite direction, so you can make this S hook. Now what I'll do is I will take the loop, put it inside it, you make sure it has a big mouth. Okay, see I've hanged it. Can you see? I've hanged it. Now press that inside to close it. Okay, otherwise it will come out. So can you see? Now I will connect this one with this one with this. So I have already made a connector here. I'll open it a little bit using round nose pliers. Okay, put it inside this way and then close it using round nose pliers. So this is a loop. Please share and subscribe. Thank you.